Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change size of our smart sidebar in Realme 14x phone, how to make it bigger, how to make it smaller, whatever. So our sidebar is here. Where to find its options? So settings first, then we need to go to accessibility and convenience, and in the AI assistant portion of the menu we have smart sidebar. First of all, here is the switch to enable it or disable it, and in the floating bar section we can change the size of our bar. As you can see, it's smaller now and it's bigger here. Of course, we have more options. We can change its transparency, we can move it up and down using the menu sliders, but the size is what we are interested in the most, isn't it?